So there's this term that's thrown out all the time that you're really trying to understand what it is, and that is capital gains. Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you about what capital gains are, and then go into some of the different reasons why it should be important to you. Coming up. Hi there, I'm Billy Keels, and I'm back once again. I'm going to share some tips and strategies with you that are going to help you to go out and make more money. They're going to help you to have more control over your free time, and ultimately they're going to help you to live with much less stress. So if it's your first time here, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And you know what, one of the things I always love to do is right from the very beginning, ask you to go out and at least share the contents of this video once you find value in it with 2 or 3 other friends, because that way you're actively participating in helping our community to grow with other great like-minded people. So thank you very much for that, first and foremost. So what I thought I would do is do a couple of very short videos to help you understand this whole concept of capital gains. And the thing is, recently I've been having lots and lots more conversations with people because there's a lot of turbulence in the stock market, and people want to get prepared for their retirement, and they're looking for new options. And you know, these are concepts that are really, really important. And as I started talking to people, I start realizing that people are talking about things like what's your cash on cash return and what's your payback period and all of these different concepts. And at the end of the day, one of the people that I like to follow, Tom Wheelwright, he says, if you want to change your tax, you need to change your facts. And this whole concept of capital gains really comes into that, because you've probably heard most of your life that you want to buy low and sell high. And so there is some truth to that, and it depends on what you're trying to do. But at the end of the day, when you're buying something at a particular price or cost basis, and over time, as you keep that asset, it's growing in value, and then you sell it, well, the difference between what you bought it for and what you sell it for, that is the capital gain, right? And you're going to want to check all this kind of stuff out with your own accountant, because your accountant will let you know how all of these concepts will really affect you. But I just wanted to share the general concepts, and then I'm going to go into a couple of other concepts, because not all capital gains are treated exactly the same way. So for this very brief video, just want to let you know capital gains in general. What are they? They are the difference between what the price that you buy something for and the price that you sell it for. Everything in between, that is a capital gains, and there is an applicable tax to that, especially when you're talking about, this is really United States based, or at least we'll talk about today. But want to talk about that concept, capital gains. It's the difference between what you make in the middle, and that is typically what you get to keep, or at least some portion of it. And we'll talk about that in the next couple of videos. But if you also wanted to know a little bit more about how you can become a long distance real asset investor, I've written an ebook for you. You can go to keeponcashflow.com/roadmap. Pick that up, and you can be on your road to creating the better life for yourself. And also, don't make sure that you check us out at the Going Long podcast with Billy Keels. You get all of the best real asset investors that are US-based real asset investors that are going to also help you to create some new alternatives for yourself. So until then, I want you to go out and make it a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.